guys, it's me Ashley, and I'm going to be doing the the blindfolded drawing challenge, and really, so I'm just going to go on. Let me know if I have better filled everything. Well, okay, that didn't turn out as good. So, I think that's probably just a pencil. I'll have to get another one. So, I'll just go get one. Get another pencil. So hopefully this pencil is better than the other one. So hopefully it's better than the other one. Or the first time I tried it, maybe to the corner a bit. Well, it's better than all of yours, I say. So I'm just going to well, oh yes. So now I know that you could just like rate it, and well, I just wanted to say that you have to like and subscribe, and I'm just, oh yeah, I'm just going to leave now, but you could just, you could rate, like, and subscribe, and, yeah, well, hopefully a lot of you will subscribe, and comment on how you think I did, and what type of video content you want me to do next, and, I'll see you again. Bye, guys.